What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I want to bring you this new app for new money making Mondays. It's called ReceiptPal. Very cool site to use. App. Very simple to use. Basically, all you're doing is scanning receipts. I just got paid from this site from this app. I don't know why I keep saying site. I just got paid from it today. First, let me just show you how easy it is to use. Click on it here. Right now, I have 50 points. Like I said, it's cashed out. All you're doing is taking pictures of receipts. Every time you take a picture of a receipt, it has to go through like a pending process, and that takes maybe a couple hours, and then it'll get approved. Any receipt works. Like, it doesn't have to be from a certain place. Just wherever you get a receipt from, take a picture of it. Sometimes they won't go through, but that's rare. If it has the name of the place, a date and time, and the amount that you spent, whether you paid cash or debit card, and you're fine. It's only so many you can do per day. I did 2 this morning to show you an example of one I did right here. That was at like I said, the gas station that I went to a few days ago. I got gas. I scanned that, and this one right here. This was, I don't remember what receipt this was. Oh, what did I use this for? I think I bought some of the gas station, another different gas station last night at 10:40. So I just scanned them and they got approved. You see here, you scan the 4 receipts, you get 100 points. You can do it again. It shows me how many I can do. Like, I think this is per week. My bad, not per day, per week. So I can do, I think 12 per week. If somebody, I think I've seen somebody, I was talking to somebody about this site or this app, and they were telling me that you can do so many per week. But 12 receipts per week, if that's accurate, is not bad. That's 300 points. Every receipt is worth 5 cents. Like I said, you just take the picture of the receipt and you scan it, and you see here the rewards they have. You go down, you get an Amazon gift card or a retail gift card. With their retail, they have show you, they have things like Best Buy, iTunes, Lowe's, Visa, Walmart. Just the typical retail gift cards you can get for doing that. It starts out at $5. Let me go back, show you what else they got. They got some $10 rewards, 25, 50, and 100. But it really just depends on what you want to get. Like I said, you can cash out at $5. That's what I did, and they pay instantly because I got my cash out right here. Congratulations on your reward, $5, and that was a link to it, and it came on the same day. Today is actually, let me see, the 19th. So, bam, 19. So that was the app. My bad, I'll get back out. But like I said, you're just scanning receipts. Very simple. It'll go into pending status for a couple hours, then it approves. So you'll be surprised at how many receipts you get just on a regular basis, like throughout the week. So like I said, every time you get a receipt, scan it. You're basically getting paid to take pictures of receipts. That's very cool, very easy. The link to this app is in the description. Click on it, get that bonus. I think you'll get, like, I believe 50 points to start out with. I'm pretty sure. I know it's a bonus. I remember when I signed up, I created a profile, all that kind of good stuff, and I think I had I think it was actually more. I was like a couple hundred I started out with. I think you just sign up. You have to answer a few questions, get your profile together, and then they just kind of gift you with some points. I think it's like 250. I think it was 250 points you get for signing up. So definitely click on the link in the description. It'll take you right to the app. Sign up, get the 250 points, and just start taking pictures of every receipt that you get. All right, so that's very simple to use, and just another app that you want to add to your routine. Download on your phone and your tablet, whatever you use, and just start getting paid to take pictures of receipts and cash out, and you will get your money instantly, just like I did. All right, I got $5 instantly. Just to show you that one more time. Let me see here. It came in the morning. All right, so definitely an app that I'm using right now, and I'm going to continue to use it because I got my first cash out from it, and I encourage you guys to do the same. All right, so this was New Money Making Mondays. It's the new app that I'm bringing to you. Click on the link in the description. It'll take you directly to it, and start getting paid to take pictures of receipts. All right, and always remember, every penny counts.